Happy Saturday, traders. We have the website up and we would like to share the successes that you were looking at. The trading division with the live traders. You know, you can buy stocks here. Take a look in the video. What I said, there is a date, a time, and a date. I want you to focus on the Dow. I want you to focus on the SOX, that's the chip sector, the SPX, the NASDAQ. Why the party is over now. Oh, how about that? There. How about the Russell S&P, we call it 100. That's a top 100 SPX index reversal. When did I say? August 24th. Yeah, and now you get to see and measure the results to the T. And you do. And now it gives you all the reason to sign up for your well-being. It's certainly my job to do that, and that's exactly what will happen in the live trading room. So once again, we want you to start out your Saturday on the website, indexes, and then you can measure it. That's how you measure